Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the GPU and laptop outputs support 3 independent displays. This explains why mirroring often happens. Once done, connect one monitor per available output port using the best quality cable you have. Make sure to power each monitor and set each to the correct input so the computer can detect them. You do this now because detection is the foundation. Without distinct active ports, the OS cannot extend desktop across 3 screens. Next, you open your operating system display settings to tell the computer how to use the 3 connected screens. Once detected, set each monitor from duplicate to extend so each shows different content, then pick which one is your primary display for taskbars or menus. Make sure to arrange the monitors in the settings to match their physical layout and adjust resolution and refresh rate per screen so scaling and performance remain smooth across the trio. Finally, you refine the setup in the GPU control panel for options like bezel compensation or per-monitor color profiles. This improves continuity and color accuracy. Once configured, drag windows across all 3 to verify they operate independently. If a monitor fails to appear or flickers, update or reinstall the GPU driver, try swapping cables, and confirm adapters support the required resolution. If that still fails, reboot with all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.